Let me introduce our SMT as a fully automated production process. First, the PCB board is sent to the automatic solder paste printing machine to complete the printing of the solder paste. The printing quality of the solder paste will directly determine our final soldering quality. The length of solder paste printing is very important in the entire production process. The following is the SPI solder paste quality inspection, which automatically detects the solder paste printing quality through visual recognition. After the inspection is completed, it is sent to the placement machine to mount the resistance container. After the placement is completed, it will enter the next placement machine. The suction nozzle of this placement machine is relatively large, and it mainly pastes larger components, such as chips, diodes, and triodes. After all components are mounted, the board enters the reflow oven. A temperature curve of the entire reflow soldering enters the next process, our automatic online detection, and finally compares our finished product with the characteristics we set, realizes automatic soldering quality detection, and completes the entire SMT soldering process.